Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just bored. What you doing?
I'm making a box cake. How about you?
You can't make a cake from scratch? That's kind of sad. Not gonna lie.
Well, my box cakes are good, so.
Because it's from a box.
Fine, whatever, you're right. I can't cook.
Yeah. I'm just such a better cook than you, so I just wanted to tell you that.
I bet I could be so much of a better cook if I learned.
Well, let's see, because I don't believe that one bit.
Challenge accepted! Hey, what's up?
So I guess I owe you an apology. Your cake that you made wasn't bad.
Wow, thank you. I really appreciate it. Thanks for teaching me.
No problem, man. I'll see you in class.
Alright, bye! Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just bored. What you up to?
I'm making a box cake. How about you?
Wow, you can't make a cake from scratch? That's kind of sad.
No, my cakes are so good. Oh, God. Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just bored. What you doing?
I'm making a box cake. Hey, what's up?
I just fell off my bed.
Meanwhile, I was making weird faces at the camera. This is why we can't get anything done. Hey, what's up?
What's up? Did you try the cake?
That's my line.